Hi everyone, welcome to Anji Math channel. Today I would like to discuss a question from the coordinate geometry. The question is, find the ratio in which the point Px2 divides the line segment joining the points 12, 5 and 4, minus 3. Also find the value of x. This is a simple one. Here you are given with 2 points. It is with them as A and B, 12, 5, 4, minus 3. There will be a point P somewhere, that is x2, which divides this line segment. The ratio, as you don't know, let it be m1 is to m2. Then we have to find this ratio in which this P divides the segment AB, and also you have to find the missing coordinate. So we have the formula. Let P x2 divides AB bar in the ratio of m1 is to m2. Then coordinates of P is given by the formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2, where x1, y1, x2, y2 are the coordinates of A and B. So let me write for your understanding: 12, 5, B, 4, minus 3 are x1, y1, and the coordinates of B are x2, y2. They are dividing the P is dividing this segment AB in the ratio of m1 is to m2. This will help us to substitute the values. So let us substitute here. The coordinates of P is equal to m1 x2, that is m1 into 4 m1, plus m2 x1, that is 12 m2, by m1 plus m2. Next m1 by 2, that is minus 3 into m1, minus 3 m1, plus m2 y1, that is 5 into m2, 5 m2 by m1 plus m2. As you know, if 2 points are equal, corresponding coordinates are equal, let me equate y coordinates, that is this coordinate equal to 2. So therefore, from the above equation, minus 3m1 plus 5m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 2. This implies minus 3m1 plus 5m2 is equal to m1 plus m2 will multiply with 2, 2 into m1, 2m1, plus 2 into m2, 2m2. Bring m2 into LHS and m1 into RHS. 5m2 minus 2m2 is equal to 2m1, minus becomes plus 3m1, that is 5m2 minus 2m2, 3m2 is equal to 5m1. Bring this m2 into RHS, 5 into LHS, 3 by 5 is equal to m1 by m2. So m1 by m2, the ratio in which the point P divides AB is 3 is to 5. Now you have to find the missing coordinate of x. how to find? Let us see. As you got the ratio, let M1 is equal to some 3k units and M2 is equal to 5k units. Now as you know, what is x coordinate equal to? We have x is equal to 4m1 plus 12m2 by m1 plus m2. That is 4 times 3k plus 12 times 5k by m1 plus m2. That is m1 means 3k plus 5k. So 4 3s are 12k plus 60k by 5 plus 3 8k, which is equal to 60 plus 12 72k by 8k. Cancel 8 1s are 8 9s. So x is which is equal to 9. That is x is equal to 9. So that is the value of x. Thank you.